Welcome to the fascinating realm of the psychology of money. This multidisciplinary field intertwines financial theories with behavioral science to better understand what drives our financial decisions, how emotions affect our investments, and why we often act against our best financial interests. Today, we dive into the world of finance with our first stop, the emotional roller coaster. It's no secret that emotions run high when it comes to money. Now let's consider fear. It's a primal instinct, isn't it? Fear often nudges us towards conservative investments or even complete avoidance of financial risks. Picture this. You've saved up a tidy sum and you're considering investing it. But the thought of losing it all sends shivers down your spine. So you stick it in a savings account. It's safe, it's secure, but it's not doing much for you. That's fear at play. In stark contrast, we have greed. The prospect of quick, substantial gains can push individuals to take unnecessary risks. It's like being at a poker table. You've had a good run, you're feeling lucky, and suddenly you're all in. But remember, high stakes often come with high risks. Then we have overconfidence. It's great to have faith in your abilities, but when it comes to finance, overconfidence can lead to underestimation of potential losses. It's like being a quarterback who always goes for the Hail Mary. Sure, it's a spectacle when it lands, but it's also a surefire way to lose the ball. And, finally, anxiety. It's that nagging feeling that you're not doing enough, not doing it right, or that you're running out of time. Anxiety can lead to rushed decisions or even procrastination. It's like staring at a menu in a restaurant for ages, only to order the first thing you see when the waiter comes around. So what's the takeaway here? Emotions, while they make us human, can sometimes lead us astray in the world of finance. They can push us to act impulsively, make rash decisions, or even cause us to freeze up entirely. As we can see, emotions can be a steep, slippery slope in the financial world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Moving forward, we need to align our compass. Personal values and goals are the true north of financial decisions. Now imagine your money as an extension of yourself. It's not just paper or numbers in the bank, but a tool that you can use to realize your dreams and aspirations. It's a vessel that carries your values, ambitions, and hopes for the future. So, how do we ensure that our financial decisions reflect our personal aspirations? The answer lies in understanding and acknowledging what those aspirations are. Are you saving for a top-tier education, dreaming of owning a home, or perhaps looking forward to a comfortable retirement? Each of these aspirations requires a unique financial strategy. If your aspiration is education, then you might want to consider setting up a savings account dedicated to that purpose, or perhaps investing in an education savings plan. If home ownership is your goal, then your strategy could involve saving for a down payment or improving your credit score. And if retirement is on your mind, then you might want to look into pensions or retirement funds. But remember, financial strategies aren't one-size-fits-all solutions. They need to be tailored to your specific situation and goals. This is where a financial advisor or planner can come in handy. They can help you map out a financial plan that aligns with your personal aspirations, taking into account your income, expenses, and risk tolerance. It's also essential to create a budget and stick to it. This can help you manage your money effectively and ensure that you're saving enough to achieve your goals. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial strategy is equally important, as it allows you to adapt to changes in your life and the economy. Don't forget, achieving your financial goals requires patience, discipline, and resilience. There will be bumps along the road, but with a solid strategy and a clear vision of your aspirations, you can navigate these challenges and stay on track. Remember, your financial journey should always be in sync with your personal aspirations. Let's unearth some buried treasure, our money scripts. These are deep-seated beliefs about money that we've acquired over time. Imagine your mind as a vast landscape, and hidden beneath the surface are these complex codes or scripts that dictate your financial behavior. These scripts are formed during our formative years, often influenced by our parents, our environment, and our experiences. They're not just fleeting thoughts, but deeply ingrained patterns that can guide our financial decisions without us even realizing it. For instance, you might have a money script that tells you, money is the root of all evil, or you have to work hard to earn money. These beliefs can shape our attitudes towards wealth and work, influencing how we save, spend, and invest our money. Now, you might be thinking, well, how do I decode these hidden scripts? Great question. It starts with a little self-reflection. Take some time to think about your attitudes and beliefs about money. What were you taught about money as a child? How have these lessons influenced your financial behavior today? As you dig deeper, you might uncover some surprising truths. Perhaps you've been avoiding investing because of a deep-seated fear of losing money. Or maybe you're a chronic saver, hoarding every penny because you were taught that money is hard to come by. Recognizing these scripts is the first step towards changing them. And change, though it may be challenging, is absolutely possible. Once you've identified your money scripts, you can begin to reframe them. If you've always believed that money is hard to come by, try shifting your perspective to money is abundant and available to me. Remember, this is not about judging or blaming yourself for your past financial decisions. It's understanding the underlying beliefs that have been driving those decisions and using that knowledge to make positive changes. Decoding our money scripts is like decoding our financial DNA. It gives us a deeper understanding of our behavior and empowers us to take control of our future. Decoding money scripts can be our map to better financial behavior. The psychology of money is not just about numbers, it's understanding yourself, your emotions, your values, your beliefs, and how all these elements influence your financial decisions. It's a journey of self-discovery and financial empowerment. By understanding the psychology of money, you can make more informed and rational financial decisions, align your financial strategies with your personal goals, decode your money scripts, and enhance your financial literacy. Remember, your financial journey is unique to you. It's not about keeping up with the Joneses. It's creating a financial life that aligns with your values and aspirations. And there we have it. The psychology of money, a journey of self-discovery, and financial empowerment. For more info, don't forget to click the links in our description box below. Now let's delve into the relationship between our habits and money. Our daily habits, which often go unnoticed, can significantly impact our financial health. For instance, a small habit of buying a cup of coffee every day can add up to a significant amount over time. This isn't to say you should stop enjoying your coffee, but rather to be aware of how small expenses can accumulate. The importance of cultivating good financial habits cannot be overstated. These habits, such as saving a specific portion of your income, investing wisely, and regularly reviewing your finances, can greatly enhance your financial health and bring you closer to your money goals. Breaking bad financial habits may seem daunting, but it's entirely possible with the right strategies. Start by identifying your bad habits. Then understand why you engage in these habits and what triggers them. Once you have this understanding, you can work on breaking them by replacing it with healthier alternatives. Remember, our habits can make or break our financial future. It's about making conscious decisions, being aware of our habits, and continually striving for improvement. Our financial journey is not just the big decisions, but the small everyday choices we make. Moving on, let's explore the complex relationship between money and relationships. Money, although a sensitive topic, can often be a source of conflict in relationships. It's not uncommon for couples to argue over spending habits, savings, and financial goals. However, it's important to remember that open and honest communication about finances is key to a healthy relationship. Avoiding discussions about money can lead to misunderstandings and resentment. It's crucial to discuss your financial habits, goals, and expectations early on in the relationship to avoid any potential conflict. It promotes teamwork, understanding, and mutual respect. When both parties are involved in financial decisions, it can lead to better money management and a sense of shared responsibility. Understanding and managing money in relationships is not just dollars and cents, it's communication, shared goals, and mutual respect. It can lead to a harmonious financial life where both parties feel heard, understood, and valued. The money conversation may be challenging, but it's a crucial step towards a financially healthy and harmonious relationship.